Enzyme Wizard household cleaners produce superior results while cutting down on the environmental impact. These cleaning solutions are much safer to use around pets and kids than traditional caustic cleaners. Enzyme cleaners use biological compounds that break down soiling quickly and effectively, similarly to the enzymes in your stomach that break down food. There are many advantages to enzyme-based cleaners. These cleaners easily deal with stubborn dirt and persistent odours, since the cleaning action often lasts for several days. Best of all, enzyme cleaners are completely free of harsh chemicals that can damage carpet fibres while removing stains. Enzyme cleaners are pH neutral and low on environmental impact, since the only byproducts are water and CO2. Enzyme Wizard's carpet shampoo is specifically designed to loosen tough dirt on carpets in conjunction with a carpet shampooer or an extraction washer. This product penetrates deep into the carpet fibres, destroying all organic matter in the stain, not just lifting the top layer. The carpet and upholstery cleaner is made to be applied directly onto stains as a spot cleaner. This product breaks down the source of stains while working against all sorts of stubborn substances, including blood, oil, automotive grease, and even certain inks. No rinse floor cleaner destroys stains without any rinsing. This industrial strength cleaner works on grease, oil, and other food waste. It's perfect for use in machine cleaners, but also easy to use with a mop, all without rinsing afterwards. Enzyme Wizard's urine and stain odour remover is a must-have for pet stains. The specifically designed surfactant penetrates uric crystals and removes odours. It's completely safe to use around animals. Surface Sanitizer and Protectant is a high-performance surface sanitizer that disinfects virtually all germs and viruses, including COVID-19, and has been tested and certified by laboratories across the world. Enzyme Wizard provides superior cleaning performance compared to chemical cleaners, while being much safer to use around people and pets. If you're still using chemical cleaners, it's time to check out the alternatives.